In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan and upload documents in DocuSign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a paper document with your camera, get it into DocuSign, and send it for signatures with confidence. First, open DocuSign on your desktop or mobile device and sign in. You'll land on the home screen, which is your starting point for creating and managing documents. From the home screen, look for the plus button. Click it to begin a new document. If others need to sign, choose Request Signatures. If you're the only person signing, choose Sign a Document. Picking the right option here ensures DocuSign sets up the workflow correctly from the start. Next, scan your paper document using your device camera. Hold your phone or tablet steady, use good lighting, and fill the frame so edges are visible. Tap to focus if your device allows it. Capture every page you need, one after another, and confirm the scan when finished. Take a moment to review your scan. Crop out the background, rotate pages so they're upright, and reorder pages if anything is out of sequence. Zoom in on any small text to make sure it's readable. If a page looks blurry or dark, rescan that page now to save time later. By the way, if you need the DocuSign app or prefer the web version, I've placed the official download link and website link right at the top of the description so you can get to the correct place quickly. When everything looks good, confirm to upload the scan into DocuSign. Your file is now added to an envelope, which is simply DocuSign's container for the document, recipients, and settings that travel together. Add your recipients by entering each person's name and email address. Include yourself if you also need to sign. If there's a specific order people should sign in, set that order so DocuSign routes it step by step. Click Next to open the Prepare screen. Here, place the fields your signers must complete: signature, initials, dates, and any text or checkbox fields. Assign each field to the correct recipient so the right person sees it. Mark essential fields as required, and position them neatly so they align with the document's content. If DocuSign suggests fields automatically, use those as a starting point and adjust as needed. Finally, review everything: recipients, fields, and pages. When you're ready, click Send. DocuSign will email your recipients and you'll be notified as each person completes their part. That's how to scan and upload documents in DocuSign. Thanks for watching.